Greetings to everyone watching this video today. I present to your attention an educational video course in which we will tell you how easy and simple it is to create drawings using the online platform of the Midjourney neural network. This course, with step-by-step explanations, will help you start working in Midjourney without errors and enjoy creating images. The entire course was created by my friend Jack. Jack, are you here?
Yes, I'm already here. Hello, friends. Hello again. My name is Jack. As Sok said, I have created a step-by-step educational course for you working in Midjourney. Please watch the video presentation. Just a moment. I'll find it now. Not here. Not here. Here it is.
I present to your attention a video course on working with Midjourney, titled Midjourney, Step-by-Step Guide. Learn the entire registration process. Let's adjust the parameters correctly. You will learn what prompts are and how to create them. Learn to create images as if taken by a photographer. Discover different styles and how to apply them. Learn to create images in the style of popular artists. Master the art of creating illustrations. Your images will be highly aesthetic. Discover magical words that will dramatically transform your images. How to create prompts using artificial intelligence. And much more. Enjoy learning and see you in the course.